Today we have the newspaper of 1st August 2024. Let's start with the first news, that is Wayanad death toll crosses 2000. Slush debris slow down search of NDRF. And second news is about Ismail of Hamas killed in Iran. In Iran, he is going for the welcoming and the in function of newly Prime Minister of Iran. And in that attending that functions, while returning, he was shot, assassinated by the Israeli Defense Forces. Next news is row over expunging MP remark, privilege notice against PM for video. UPSC cancel Pooja's candidature, debar her from future exams. Atish, Delhi Lieutenant Governor meet protesting student, announce plan to overhaul coaching institution. Basement deaths, students right to Murmu for independent probe. SC government freebies left MCD bankrupt, took toll on infrastructure. Friend, freebies culture is growing and it is like a winning strategy for political parties to announce freebies, but they have the consequence on the infrastructure and the fund that required for infrastructure of city. So it's need to improve this culture, and how we can improve this by making voter more aware, more educative. This is the political news of Punjab. Akali Dal patron revokes expulsion of 8 rebels. Eyes on Sirsa, Saini hints at alliance with Kanda's party. UPCM escorted through alternative routes as house complex invaded after rain. Bengali film industry lockdown ends after CM intervention. Privilege breach proceedings against MLAs can continue in next assembly, Madras High Court. Saha Pinarayi, the CM of Kerala, spare over disaster warning. Wayanad rank 5th in Kerala's on ISRO's landslide atlas. Delhi University UG admission began after month-long wait. Heavy evening rainfall case chaos bring Delhi to its knees. BJP MLA protests against Soron government by spending night in Jharkhand House. Now this is the editorial time. The global struggle for a pandemic treaty. This editorial talk about the global collective actions toward the health and the infrastructure improvement in the every country. Unnatural disaster. Kerala must restore denuded flora and rehabilitate people in vulnerable area. Problem power. Small modular reactor must deal with the cost of proliferation resistance. This fulfill the energy security of the country. AI need cultural policies, not just regulations. Early detection of lung cancer can save lives. The middle class, which move away from BJP, is upset with the budget. On discarding inductions for LTCC. Why the violent protests in Kenya continued. There is a glance on the statistics, that is the Palestine who died in Israeli detention since October 7, 53. The UN Human Rights Office said in a report that the thousands of Palestinians, including medicos, patients and residents, have been detained in Israel. The detention has been held in secret. Second, the financial assistance to Georgia halted by the US. Complaint of child-prone rape received on NCR portal. 1.94 in lakh. The National Cybercrime Reporting Portal has received 16.18 crore visitor till April 30, according to the Women and Child Development Ministry of Annapurna Devi. World Bank rescue package to Ethiopia. State of emergency extended by the Myanmar junta. The civil services dream, how Delhi maintain a pull on UPSC aspirants. SC to decide if state can take retrospective taxes on mine or not. Judiciary can direct the government to continue audit of laws, says Supreme Court. Center plan striker norms for disability certificate activities fear fresh hurdle. India-China hold 30th round of border talk. Both agree to uphold peace, tranquility in border region. Allegation on neglecting states are opposition's propaganda. Nirmala. RSS has all the right to participate in developmental journey. Dhanka. Modi government refused to learn from its decline in Lok Sabha poll, says Sonia. Railway form panel to decide on working hour of loco pilots. Bill to replace Aircraft Act table in Lok Sabha amid protests. In 3-year power cut in India will rise, say report. IF largest multilateral exercise to begin this month. 5-year-old boy sues schoolmate in Bihar. June's core sector growth slowed to 4%. MSIL quarter first net surges to 47 to 365 crore. April-June physical deficit stands at 8.1 of financial year 25 target. Bank of Baroda quarter first net profit rise to 9.5% to the 4,458 crore. RBI proposes regulation for safer digital payment. What does Hanyah death mean for Israel and Iran? Junta extended state of emergency by 6 months in Myanmar. Venezuela persists with protests a day after 12 died. Body of slain Hezbollah commanders found. US force carry out defensive air strike in Iraq. Former Pakistan PM Imran Khan ready to hold talk with military. London. Ex-BBC anchor Edward plead guilty in indecent child image case. Whole world wants Russia at next peace summit, says Zelensky. That's from my side, friend. Jai.